Is it safe to run a kerosene heater indoors?
Hello everyone! Today we're going to address a common question many people have when it comes to heating their homes. Is it safe to run a kerosene heater indoors?
What is a kerosene heater?
A kerosene heater is a type of portable space heater that burns kerosene fuel. They're known for their efficiency and portability. These heaters can be extremely useful during cold weather or in emergency situations where power is unavailable. However, their use indoors raises some safety concerns.
Can you use a kerosene heater indoors?
Yes, you can use a kerosene heater indoors, but it's crucial to do so safely and responsibly. The main risks associated with indoor kerosene heater usage include fire hazards, carbon monoxide, poisoning, and indoor air pollution.
What are the risks and how to mitigate them?
Fire risk. Kerosene heaters can cause fires if they're tipped over, if the fuel is mishandled, or if they're placed too close to flammable materials. Mitigation. Ensure your heater has an automatic shut-off feature if tipped over, keep it away from flammable materials, and handle fuel with care. Carbon monoxide poisoning. Kerosene heaters consume oxygen and emit carbon monoxide, a colorless, odorless, and poisonous gas. Mitigation. Use heaters designed for indoor use, keep a window cracked open for ventilation, and install a carbon monoxide detector. Indoor air pollution. Burning kerosene can emit harmful pollutants such as nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide. Mitigation. Use only water-clear 1K grade kerosene, properly maintain your heater, and ensure good ventilation.
So, is it safe?
Yes, but with caution. Using a kerosene heater indoors can be safe if you follow all safety precautions, regularly maintain the heater, use the correct fuel, and ensure adequate ventilation. However, kerosene heaters should not be used in small, closed spaces or as a primary heating source. Thanks for joining us today as we delved into the topic of kerosene heaters' indoor use. Stay warm, stay safe, and always remember that precaution is better than cure. See you in our next video.